I love football. 1. I love football very much. 2. Football is my favorite game. 3. I play football every evening. 4. I play with my friends in the park. 5. We make two teams. 6. We kick the ball and try to score goals. 7. Football is a fun game. 8. It keeps my body strong. 9. I wear shoes and play with care. 10. I run fast to catch the ball. 11. I enjoy team spirit in football. 12. My favorite footballer is Lionel Messi. 13. I watch football matches on TV. 14. My father also loves football. 15. I want to become a great player. 16. I practice every day to improve. 17. I drink water after the game. 18. Football makes me active and happy. 19. I never miss my football time. 20. I love football with all my heart.